I made a video of this light, say 1 day ago or 2 days ago, and I thought that it was, say, ultraviolet light, but that was not good. It was wrong, and in the text box I have, say, replaced that, corrected that, etc., etc. But I got a comment of one of my YouTube, not one of my YouTube followers, but someone named electronic engineer or so, and he made, by the way, a very serious comment that I was not talking about, say, all the bad things of ultraviolet light, but at the same time, in my description I have had already corrected it. Anyway, well, so it was a kind of afterwards comment, and I think he or she did not read the description in the earlier video, and I have removed that earlier video. So well, anyway, it's kind of difficult to talk about that again. Here is that again, that lantern spotlight, kind of spotlight made with infrared LEDs, and all these LEDs are working on 950 nanometers. And I want to be sure, and again tell, that I made a lot, not a lot, but say 3 or 4 videos about the ultraviolet frequencies, and especially about the ultraviolet C, UVC, that can, say, harm your body because it is very fierce. Say the pigment in the human body, and also not only in the human body, changes, say, so that the pigment goes a little bit to brown, to the brown, say, frequency, with which the human body protects itself from this very fierce ultraviolet C radiation. There's also ultraviolet A and B, and one of my followers, Björn, told me about that in the earlier video. Thanks, Björn. And also I want to thank all the people, all the YouTube followers that made such serious comments on my earlier kind of mistake by naming this frequency in a wrong way. Anyway, I've ordered quite a few of the infrared LEDs. The infrared LEDs here are now on 950 nanometers. These ones are on 940 nanometers. Well, anyway, I hope that it works. The whole idea of the first video was to make a kind of spotlight or lantern with a lot of these infrared LEDs, so that you can, say, pick up in the pitch dark what's happening in your garden or your property with the help of such a lantern or spotlight. Anyway, that was more or less all to tell. This is the tag. Can I tell more about it? Well, of course, perhaps when you make such a lantern in another way, say round, more LEDs inside, then I mean infrared LEDs inside, well, that's another option, of course. Say to make a bundle of light straying out anyway. Well, what's more to tell? These LEDs take quite a high current, and that's what I mean. The maximum current that these LEDs take is 130 milliampere. So you can say multiply that here, and that means that in the same time we have a kind of 1 ampere or 1.2 ampere, and LEDs need a constant current source, and I've made this in a certain way here, and this is the circuit that I've made, and when you are interested I will publish it on YouTube. Is that here a constant current source? No. It is only a source that provides all these infrared LEDs with its proper voltage and current. Anyway, of course you can supply an infrared LED or whatever LED via a resistor, but LEDs need in general a constant current source, and there are many circuits on the World Wide Web where you can find constant current sources, etc. etc. So, not so much more to tell. Thanks for all your critical comments on my earlier video. I appreciate it. Anyway, I hope to have corrected this somewhat more, and well, I don't need all kinds of comments of YouTube followers or YouTube viewers that don't look at my earlier videos. There are approximately 1500 videos on my YouTube channel. I've also published videos about ultraviolet LEDs, and there were few of them, and one of my followers commented, Alberto, commented that I had already published proper videos about ultraviolet A, B and C, and when you go to my YouTube channel, that is the looking glass, and type there ultraviolet, I'm more or less sure that you can see all the earlier experiments in this field. Ultraviolet, infrared, not infrared by the way, but anyway, ultraviolet. Thanks for watching.